Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. Say hi, boy.
Hi.
Alright, so you should have already watched my first impressions on this wig from XRS hair. I got it from Amazon. It was $95. If you want to see the first impressions, click on the video link for that in my description. But yeah, this hair was a 613 shade. I tinted the hair and I wore it like in a wavy texture, like right after it was washed. It was kind of like a wavy texture. I wore it like that. Went to a party, and then I had to straighten it to go cheer at a game, and then I curled it to go to a party again, and then and then I did like my Cardi B hairstyle with it. And this, I just took the little diamonds out of my diamond clippy things that I made out of it. So yeah, it holds curls very well. It's full of hairspray right now, but I will say that I love this hair, and I am definitely like, this is a lace frontal and it was only $95. And for it to be hair that has been processed to human hair that has been processed to a 613, it still feels healthy. This hair it needs to be washed. I hugged so many people. I just feel like all of their germs are in it plus all of the hairspray. So I'm about to take this off. All in all, I love this hair. I think it's wonderful. Yeah, boo. I think it's wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off so that I can wash it and all of that good stuff. I definitely recommend purchasing this hair. It's lit. And in my first impressions, I was talking about like how I was concerned about seeing the wefts, but once I washed the hair and like styled it, you couldn't tell. So yeah, so actually no complaints. All in all, the hair is wonderful. I haven't cut it or anything. It still has the same no, it's actually mommy's. It still has the same cut as before. I haven't cut it at all because I couldn't decide how I wanted to cut it. So yeah, I'll put the link to where you can get this hair in my description as well. So, you know, go ahead and try it out, girl. Thank you so much. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to join the Nathina Nation. And I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.